Superstars at Territory Saturday. Let's go. Let's go, family. In this video, we're going to be talking about Jasmy token. Yes, I haven't done a Jasmy video in about a couple days. So we got to talk about Jasmy. Make sure that you like, subscribe. Help us get to that subscription goal at the bottom of the screen. We're trying to get to 20,000, family. Consider joining to the Patreon if you're interested in my micro cap plays before I bring them to the channel, all right? And most importantly, engage with the video, family. Let me know in the comments, how high do you think Jasmy token can go? I'd love to know you guys' opinions in the comments. Now let's talk about Jasmy. We're going to be talking about Jasmy, and we're going to be talking about the Jasmy NFTs and how Jasmy will be integrating NFT adoption within the ecosystem. And I personally don't think a lot of people talk about it enough. Now I came across this on the Reddit, and it says Jasmy will introduce a new application of NFT technology by issuing NFTs as a personal data locker (PDL) to users who stake Jasmy. This NFT has your content ID address in interplanetary file system (IPFS), which is the new internet, a decentralized data storage protocol. Now, why is this unique? Why is this important? We know that one day, family, the NFT market will be huge. Forbes in 2021 reported that the total market was worth about $7 billion, and that's light compared to what we see NFTs could possibly be with tokenization, real world assets, the ability for your NFT to be a digital ID, tokenization of stuff like watches, of real estate. You know, NFTs are going to be huge in the future, family, and I'm here for it. And Jasmy has integrated a possible adoption curve here for the NFT market within their ecosystem, which to me is huge. We know that again, the NFTs are here to stay. You know, I feel like in the future these could be the top 4 physical benefits of NFTs, and this is coming from directly OpenSea research, and I agree 110%. Physical objects represented by the digital token, tickets or access to events not available without digital tokens, unrelated merchandise unlocked by digital tokens, watches, clothes, etc., using tokens as actual proof of ownership of land and real estate. But guess what, family? You're going to have to lock your data, because at the end of the day, these companies, these third-party companies, they are going to poach your data. They will find a way to poach your data here. And Jasmy, family, Jasmy has the cure where we can eventually monetize our data and be in control, have ownership of our data. Who wants their data to be sold out to all these people, man? I don't think nobody wants their data all the time to be sold out. You know what I'm saying? That's your privacy. So the interplanetary file system, IPFS, is a decentralized data storage protocol that offers secure and distributed file storage, often called the new internet due to its resilience and censorship resistance. Jasmy introduces the NFT-based personal data lockers, allowing users to securely store personal data on the IPFS network. The NFT contains a content ID address that references the user's data on IPFS. Users can manage their personal data by interacting with their NFT. They control data access, transfer NFT ownership, and have the option to sell it to others. So you'll be able to harbor your data through an NFT where you can actually transfer NFT ownership, your data, and even monetize your data through NFTs and have the option to sell it. That's huge. I don't think there's another cryptocurrency project that's actually doing that to protect your data from these third-party poachers. All right, I call them third-party poachers. All right, so you can see right here, this is a picture on how it could possibly work. And of course, they'll be using the DD coin, which is the stable coin, to kind of like bring that ecosystem together where you'll be able to monetize your data through the personal data locket. Hit the like and subscribe button if you are getting some value and alpha here on the Crypto Millie channel. Hit that button. All right, so number one, why is this huge? Okay, security and privacy. Jasmy's NFT-based personal data lockers offer secure and decentralized storage, protecting users' personal data from unauthorized access or tampering. That's what we want. 2, ownership and control. By utilizing blockchain technology, Jasmy enables users to own and control personal data, granting them ability to selectively share it, enhancing their privacy and data autonomy. 3. Monetization and opportunities. Jasmy's concept allows users to monetize their data by selectively sharing it with advertisers or researchers in exchange for compensation, creating new avenues for individuals to benefit from their own data. So this is all about monetization and ownership of your data, and that's what NFTs do. You feel me? When you think about the gaming world and how, you know, content creators are able to own their skins through NFTs, and in the future how you'll be able to have a skin on one game and transfer that same skin in any game, in any metaverse, because it's your skin. This is the benefits of NFTs: ownership, sovereignty, freedom of your personal items and things that you own. So it's not like you're the third party. The third party is asking you to borrow your data, and it's your choice if you want to monetize your data and share that. I think that Jasmy is building something huge. We know about all the utilities here with Jasmy, but here's a real world example. A real world example that demonstrates the potential of this concept is the health data marketplace. Imagine a platform where individuals can store their health data, such as medical records, fitness tracking information, genetic data, securely in the PDLs. Researchers, pharmaceutical companies, or healthcare providers could then approach individuals and request access to specific health data in exchange for compensation. The marketplace would facilitate the exchange of personal data while giving individuals control over who can access their information and the ability to profit from it. And I've seen this all the time, especially when high profile people go into that suffer maybe emergency, for instance, like Jamie Foxx, for a perfect example. You know what I'm saying? His privacy would have been protected. His health data privacy would have been protected through the Jasmy PDLs, where it would have been his choice if he wanted to share that information on what was personally going with him when he got into the hospital. So especially for high profile people, this is huge, because so many times, you know, they're stuff that, you know, they go in these hospitals for just gets leaked for monetary purposes. But now, family, through Jasmy, you'll be in full control of your data, where you don't have these third parties poaching the health departments for your data. They'll have to poach you for your data, and you can make the decision if you want to monetize what's going on with you. So again, family, this is what Jasmy is working on rolling out. Overall, the concept of using NFTs as a PDLs has the potential to bring mass adoption by addressing concerns related to security, privacy, and ownership, and monetization of personal data. By leveraging blockchain and technology and decentralized storage protocols like IPFS, Jasmy aims to provide their individuals with secure and empowering ways to manage their personal data, which can appeal to a wide range of users. And don't you think that was crazy? How as soon as this man get in the hospital, they just spreading all type of stuff. They just talking bad about the man. Nobody knew exactly what was going on except for his immediate family. But again, you got these poachers out here that all they care about is getting a buck or going viral, that's willing to use your data, your privacy, to make money off you without your consent. This is why protecting your data and securing your data is very, very important in today's time, and eventually monetizing your data if that's something that you want to do. But let's talk about Jasmy, the price action. Actually, let's reload this page. Not sure what happened since then. You know, the altcoin market, you know, has been going through a lot, especially with the SEC coming out and saying that paperwork is not right. You know what I'm saying? They people wanted to come out here and get these spot ETFs. You got to come correct. They gave them the guidelines of what they need, and hopefully we can get some of these spot ETFs actually approved, because they just messed up BlackRock approval rate. And they like, look, man, this paperwork is awful. We need some type of surveillance. I heard a lot of these companies are going to use Coinbase as a surveillance. They just want to know what's going on. They want to be able to control the spot ETF. That's what it's all about, family. It's about control. That you see the theme of what's going on with the cryptocurrency war and the SEC and the government. It's all about control. All right. So Jasmy here sitting at 204. Again, let me know in the comments how you think Jasmy can go. You know, some people saying $3, $5, $10, $17. I'm looking at $1 as my personal goal. I would love to see it go higher than that. But first, family, let's get some bullish momentum here into the cryptocurrency space, because altcoins, for instance, have been going down. All right. Now you can see here, Jasmy, we came out that double top and we came into a bearish cross right here, which was okay because it looks like Jasmy wants to put in a double bottom. Hopefully we can get this double bottom here and kind of like finally break this neckline where we have heavy resistance right around 2044. So that's the price we got to break, man. 2044. We also have another neckline here at 2047, and hopefully once we break 205, then we could talk about taking our next leg up. But we got to break 205 to officially be bullish. Right now we're kind of like trading sideways consolidation. Looks like Jasmy wants to put in a double bottom here, which could be huge because that's a very bullish pattern. All right, momentum is trending downward, looking at the stock RSI, family. So we'll just have to see how everything turns out. This is the daily chart, not the weekly, so it will take days for that to play out. But it looks like Bitcoin wants to rebound here, hopefully. Sitting at, I got excited, I thought it was 39, but it's 35. Sitting here at 35, 30,500 to be exact. Ethereum right under 2K, sitting at 1925. So y'all let me know what y'all think about Jasmy. You feel me? Is this huge? You know what I'm saying? Is this huge when we think about what Jasmy and the introduction of the NFTs could be, the massive adoption of NFTs and its collaboration with Jasmy, and how Jasmy can secure your data and award you monetization through NFTs. Y'all let me know what y'all think about Jasmy, man. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.